Our interactive analysis tool allows you to present hypothetical performance data that is compliant with the 2022 SEC marketing rule. The tool allows you to present potential investment strategies using a client's existing portfolio. To access the tool, all you'll want to do is hover over Tools at the top here, and then it's going to be found in the Manage column here. As you can see, I'm on the main page, so this will look similar to some of our other tool main pages. As you can see, I am able to view all of the current analysis plans that I've built out already, and I also have the ability to filter these plans by name here on the left-hand side. To create a new plan, I'm going to select Create New up here, and you'll see a disclaimer pop up. This is going to pop up every time you go to create or view one of your plans, basically just telling you that this is supposed to be used collaboratively with a current or prospective client. So I'm going to click Continue here, and it's going to prompt me to enter in the name of my client as well as an objective for this interactive analysis. So I'm going to go ahead and just enter in a name as well as the objective. Once I click Create here, it will open a brand new page. This is where I'll be able to add in the security, the portfolio of this client. As you can see, it has already saved the name up here using my client's name and then interactive analysis plan. I'm able to go in and I can edit the name here as well as edit the client name or the objective. I'm first going to start by entering in the name of my client's portfolio that I've already built out. And then I can choose to keep it at no comparable, or I can add another security, another portfolio if I'd like to compare. I'm going to keep it at no comparable for now, and then in this goal planning section, this is where I can enter in the initial investment as well as the target investment, so what I want the investment to be at the end date of this analysis. And then I can add in the start date of this analysis, and then add in that end date as well. And then I can choose between two different expected rates of return. If you click on the question mark icon here, it'll just tell you a little bit more about what each return offers. And then from here, I'm just going to add in my scenario. So I can choose between adding in a contribution or a withdrawal scenario. So I'm going to use a contribution. So just give it a name as well as select the type here, contribution. And then for data type, am I going to be contributing a % of the portfolio or a dollar value? In this case, I'm going to choose value here. And we're just going to put in that value, and I can choose how frequently I want that value added to this scenario. So I'm going to choose monthly. And then, as you can see, it will default to the start and end date of this portfolio. I can toggle this off and choose, a custom start or end date if I'd like as well. From here, select Add, and then I can click Calculate up here. So it's going to take a few seconds to load that chart, but what you can see here is I have now a chart that's been added, and it includes a few different pieces of information. So the first being the net contributions. As you can see over this time period, this is the dollar value of the contributions that I've invested into this portfolio. I can see I've also added my target investment up here, and then here is where the expected return is along here, as well as the standard deviations here and down here. I can toggle any of these pieces of information to be removed from the chart if I don't find them necessary for my client presentation here. So if I wanted to, let's say, get rid of the net contribution and withdrawals, I can get rid of that and the chart will go ahead and reload. Once I'm happy with how this looks, I can go ahead and click Save up at the top, and it's going to then save this back to that main page so I can access at a future date if I like, when I have another meeting with this client. I can also select Export up here. This will then create a PDF report of this chart as well as a few different pieces of information put into a client-friendly report so they can refer back to at a later date. If you have any questions on our interactive analysis tool, please reach out to your account manager.